Kim Chu, one of the Philippines' most beloved stars, is no stranger to the spotlight, known for her bubbly personality and versatile actress. She has won of hearts millions. However, her recent photo shoot has sparked controversy dividing fans and critics alike. And now, viral photos released on Kim Cho official social media accounts showcase the actress in daring avant dahil doon sa Calendar Girl na kung saan ay super napaka-hot. Hindi lang talaga ma-accept ng ibang mga netizens ang kaseksihan kapayat ni Kim. Kaya naman ay nabansagan na ito ay sobrang buto-buto na something butiki. Grabe. Many netizens have taken a social media to express their disapproval in common sentiments include claims that the photos felt out of character for Kim that shoot lack an authenticity. Why is she trying too hard to fit into this sexy trend? And she doesn't need to this, another critic added. And this is the Kim Chu we grew up loving, one comment read. Grabe naman ang mga netizens kung makapag-react, kung makapag-comment. Akala mo kung sino. Grabe. I understand not everyone will like that I do. And that's okay, Kim Chu. This shoot was a chance for me to try something new and to express myself differently to many fans who continue to stand by me. Grabe. Kim also hinted of upcoming project tied to this bold new image and suggesting that this shoot was just a beginning for her transformation. Ang masasabi ko lang, shoutout sa lahat ng mga bashers ni Kimi na wala kayong ambag sa buhay kundi manglait sa kanya. Mahiya naman kayo. Napakabait naman ng tao na ito. Siguro hayaan na lang yung mga taong nambabash sa iyo at alam mo naman kung sino yung mga iyan. Isa puso mo na lang yan. Inggit na inggit yan mga mapapait. Wala silang magawa sa buhay kundi yung bantayan na lang si Kim Cho. Sikat na kasi eh. Okay lang yan at least yung nanlalait bumabalik sa iyo mga blessings naman. Bakit kaya no? Galit na galit sila kay Kim Cho. Ang pait naman ng puso nila. Ang masasabi ko lang din sa sobrang inggit kung ano na lang ang ibinabato nila kay Kim Cho. Sorry sa mga bashers at mas marami kaming humahanga. Patuloy na ipaglalaban namin ang aming Kim Cho. Inggit na inggit sila, no? Gusto kanila ipabagsak Kim Cho. Lahat ng namimintas ibabato sa'yo. Huwag silang intindihin pansinin dahil wala silang maiambag sa buhay mo. Sobrang pait ng buhay nila.